Boom. Welcome to the VDubber. Today we're working on F250 again. Today we're going to be installing this. This is my bug guard. I got this off LMC truck for about $100. It is a Stampede. It's got a cool logo there. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Let's get started and welcome to the VDubber. Alrighty, so I already took it out of the box, but let's start with unwrapping. So for some reason it's very dusty. So inside here we've got 3M double-sided tape. It also comes with a set of instructions and some bolts and self-tappers. So first thing I want to do is test fit it. So let's get doing that. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tape on. So something you want to do before you start this is you want to make sure everything's dry. So it's been raining, so I dried it all here and underneath. Alright, let's get peeling. Alright, so everything's off for double-sided tape. I'm going to do fitment again. So I'm going to move you over to the side and you're going to see me suffer. So let's get to that. Alright, we got it on. I have to press that side more. I'm gonna have to buff this out or something somehow. This side, it's a little close, which is how I want it. Let's pop the hood. Time to get the drill, time to put them self-tappers in. So let's get to that. If I can find my drill. I found it. Awesome. Ooh, stinks. This drill, I feel like it's a knockoff. I'm a Milwaukee guy. I don't like Ryobi anyways. But I got it, so I use it for what I need. Let's find what bit this needs and we'll get going. So, pop this here. All right. One on. I'm gonna do this side now. I want to kind of do it equally. So I've got one right here. And this one, I'm gonna have to kind of. Perfect. All right, all done. So, bolts are there. I'm done on this. Oh boy, this is looking good. Look at this. That is beautiful. Oh my. Alright, so I'm using some ceramic detailer. Nothing crazy, so. guys enjoyed. Easy install, quick install. Took me maybe 20-25 minutes because first things first, taking off that tape sucks for me. I can't do it. Recording always takes up twice the time. If you're doing this by yourself, first time, and you get it right, like I did, 10 to 15 minutes tops. If you're recording and tape takes longer, I don't really have fingernails, 20-25 minutes. But it's beautiful, it's on there. I mean, it just gives it that retro look. So, have a good day. Thanks for watching the VW, and I will see you later.